All right, today we are checking out the Lochurst toilet paper holder by Delta. This will be the unboxing video of what you will actually receive. On the back we have listed the towel ring, which we installed earlier in our other video, and we also have the towel bars, which we'll be doing here later today. Opening it up, nice and simple. Items you'll receive inside, we have the actual toilet paper holder, your included instructions, and one thing I really do like about Delta is the fact that it always comes with a template. So when it comes time to do the install, you pretty much just have to mount this piece of paper onto your wall where you would like to mount it, drill through 2 holes, and you have 2 perfect mounting holes. Included too is the hardware needed. We have the Allen wrench key for tightening the hardware to the bracket, 2 drywall anchors, the mounting bracket, and we have 2 included screws. Alright, so here we are with the next part of the install video. There is a provided template for the toilet paper holder. However, with these style of brackets where we only have 1 point of contact, it's not like the towel bars where you have 2 points. You got to make sure they're perfectly distanced from each other. I'm going to show you a quick trick to speed this up and make this significantly easier. Go ahead and take one of the included screws. Take your drill or screwdriver if you have one, and go ahead and put the first screw into your hole that you would like. Go ahead and set your first screw and go ahead and take it right back out. Actually, am I in wood? Go ahead and take the included drywall anchor and go ahead and put it into the drywall. Now, I don't recommend using the drill for this part because it's just too much torque, and it will pretty much just snap these plastic style anchors right in half. There you have it, your first drywall anchor. These usually go kind of slow, so just take your time. Now here's the loophole trick that I want to show you. Go ahead and take the bracket provided and feed the first screw through it. Just give it a little tighten. Essentially, the bracket itself is going to act as your template for your next screw. Go ahead and line it up, let gravity do its thing, and I'll tell you exactly where the center is. And then go ahead and take your screw and just mark your wall. We'll go ahead and take this guy out. Take your screw as a pilot. Take your other drywall anchor. Once you've inserted both of your drywall anchors, go ahead and take your bracket again. When installing the bracket, just make sure it's tapered out. for the set screw that is on the toilet paper holder is going to come in from the bottom and catch it. So just make sure it is the larger side facing out. We'll go ahead and get the first screw started. Get the second screw in there. And like I said, perfect fit. And when you're using the drill, obviously go slow. I always like getting as close as possible, but then go ahead and take your screwdriver and just hand tighten it. Still a little loose. Give it a few more turns. Just double check. There you go. Nice and solid. That's definitely not going anywhere. All right, now the bracket's installed, go ahead and take your toilet paper holder. Inside, you'll notice this set screw. Go ahead and take the included Allen wrench and just loosen this just a bit enough so where the set screw is now flush with the outside of the hardware. Go ahead and line your bracket up. Looks pretty good. We'll just punch. And we're going to just go ahead and tighten the set screw here at the bottom. Just make sure you keep on holding on to the toilet paper holder, as I've already dropped it twice trying to do this one-handed. All right, once you get to the last few turns, just make sure it's snug. Give it a good feel. I mean, that's not going anywhere. And of course, the final step to complete your entire installation. Mount your toilet paper. And there you have it.